came here to see the festival of democracy. So
Yes.
you casted your vote. So what your
Yeah, I cast my vote to TVK. Vijay is the perfect fit for the upgrading the society, people and the system. You got it?
So do you think DMK is not at all?
No, I don't want to talk about any other party because I am belongs to TVK. I want TVK to win. I want to Vijay Thalapathy is become the CM.
So do you think Vijay will definitely get a CM in this?
Of course, there is no doubt at all. Okay, got the answer. That means result. Wait till 4th. No more last question. We are winning. TVK is forming the government. No doubt. Thank you. Bye bye. Take it. Yes, what? Yes.
One message to the young voters and the voters out here in
Young voters, this is your future. Okay, don't sit at home. Please come and vote for. Vote is your very, very important for your life. Okay, for the new generation. You got it? Bye bye. Take care.